Hi all! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Generation 2 Pokemon badges. These badges look relatively easy. That's just an octagon. That's a six-sided shape. That's just a box. That's a circle. Really, you could do any of these with the texture, but we're going to be adding a little bit more depth to the models, so I'm going to be making a box. Oh, but I should probably tell you all, we're going to be starting with this badge right here, because I haven't prepared any textures for the others, and that looks like a simple one. So we're going to make a simple box, drag it out to here, then we're going to convert it to an editable poly, like that. Now you can press 4. You can press the number 4 on the keyboard, select face, delete it, then you select 3 on the keyboard, and you can choose a border. Then you can go to your move tool, your scale tool, by pressing R on the keyboard. You can hold shift and drag in with the X and the Y coordinates selected to about there. And then you just cap it. I'm gonna get rid of the plane because we don't need it anymore. It's just to show you which one we're doing. So I'm gonna select plane and delete. Now back to the box. Now I'm gonna press M on the keyboard. I'll open the material editor. I'm gonna drag in a material. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna cross off the material editor. And that's basically the badge. Just gonna rotate this bit. Oh no, I just thought about something. Go into edge mode by pressing 2 on the keyboard, select this edge and move it a bit to about there. Then you want to do the same. Sorry, you don't want to press edge mode. Well, you do, but you don't want to just select one side there. And select this side, this side, this side, and this side. No, you don't. Not screw it, that's your box. I should have done a better job drawing the box in the first place. We'll turn F4 off. And that'll remove all the edges. That's basically the box. That was a nice easy model. I might do another one today. Right, thanks all for watching. Like and subscribe.